היי חבר'ה, כאן דימוסטק, וזה לא בדיוק הסרטון שציפיתי לעשות שיהיה הסרטון הראשון בדירה החדשה, אבל זה מה שזה. זוהי ה-TCL 65 אינץ' C8K, וכן, היא QD Mini LED. יש לה גוגל, יש לה אנדרואיד, ובעצם היא אמורה להיות טלוויזיה ממש טובה, אני מקווה. אנחנו עוד רגע נפתח אותה, ואני מקווה שהיא תיכנס באמת כמו שצריך לסלון שלנו. בואו נתחיל באנבוקסינג ונראה איך זה יתקדם. אז ככה, מבחינת הפורטים, יש לנו USB 3, יש לנו USB 2, יש לנו LAN, RJ45, יש לנו HDMI 4K מ-44 Hz שהוא e-ARC, יש לנו עוד 4K שהוא מ-44 Hz, לא רשום עליו Service Port, יש לנו 4K 60 Hz, עוד 4K 60 Hz, כניסת אנטנה, אני מושג אם מישהו עדיין צריך, וכניסת האודיו שמעולם אף פעם לא ראיתי מישהו משתמש בזה. מבחינת הדגם, אני אנסה לעשות זום שתוכלו לראות, אז זה ה-65C8K, ויש לנו גם סאונד, יש לנו ממש סאב-וופר פה ודברים בסגנון הזה, סאונד על ידי B&O. אני לא מסוגל לבטא את השם של החברה הזאת אף פעם, נחשבת חברה טובה, וזהו, זה בעצם הטלוויזיה, וכמו שאתם רואים, היא נראית ממש ענקית פה, אז בואו ונשים אותה על הסטנד שלה, וננסה לשים אותה בסלון ונראה איך זה. זה חבר'ה מה שנקרא RTFM. תקראו קודם כל את המדריך של הקופסה והכל. ברגע שהרמתי את הקופסה סוג של נפתחה, כאילו לא בדיוק נפלה, אבל החלק הזה נשאר על הרצפה. מה שאומר שבעצם ברגע שאתם פותחים אותה, אתם יכולים להרים את הקופסה עצמה, ואז הטלוויזיה אתם לא צריכים לא להרים אותה, לא להזיז, לא כלום, לא שום דבר ולא להתאמץ, ופשוט להמשיך לעבוד עליה, להוציא את כל הניילונים ואת כל האביזרים, כשהיא פשוט עומדת על הדבר הזה בלי להפריע. בכל מקרה, שרדתי את זה איכשהו, וכרגע הטלוויזיה, כמו שאתם רואים, על הסטנד שלה, ואפשר להמשיך. אז בואו ונמשיך בהתקנה והכל. First time to be on. Let's see, what do we have here? Looks like average Android boot animation, and it got really dark actually. You probably can barely see, actually now I don't see anything, and yeah, now you can see. I'm going to choose actually English. So initial setup, I guess. I'm not sure if there will be something like interesting here, but I guess we'll see. Yeah, we want the Google TV experience for sure, and I guess I'll need my phone to install it. So let me grab my phone, install it, and then we'll see how it goes. So we have reached some step that requires, or not requires, but you should install the TCL Home mobile app. I am already connected with my account via Google and everything. And right now I'm supposed to log in to the whatever app, the TCL app, which is a bit, I wouldn't say weird, but I mean, it asked me for some photo or something. I really don't understand what the heck it wants from me. I'm trying to log in on my phone, but something is weird there. Here we are. I think now it will, yeah. And now I can add my TV, I guess. Wait. I'll try to show it to the screen, but it seems like it is like a remote app with some other functions. I honestly, yeah, it does work. Okay, so I guess we can hit next, hit agree. Do we have to agree to all? I don't know. Automatic updates. Honestly, now I'd prefer to know when there is an update. Airplane HomeKit, I don't really care. I do have Home Assistant, but we'll see about that. And setup complete. Set to store mode. No, thank you. Yeah, I didn't peel off yet all the peels, but I want to be sure that everything is working before I actually do that. So just in case. About 2 minutes remaining, installing YouTube for Android TV. So yeah, I did choose the services that I want. By the way, let me just show you the remote. So the remote is, let me try to focus on that. TCL one, it looks grayish. Actually, it looks really nice. On the back there's nothing interesting. 2 AAA batteries, and that's it. It does seem to support Google Assistant and things like that, so we can check that. Other than that, I guess it's time to do our first peel once. Yep. So this is the first one, and we'll continue with the TV in a moment, I guess. I just searched for 4K HDR demo, and honestly, it looks amazing, that's for sure. I know that it's not the best thing, but I want to try to test the volume. So, currently we are on 35. I can hear it pretty normal, I guess. I mean, I would watch a bit higher if it would be a movie. Let's go for a second to the highest volume. Now, it's not like a highest audio here, but let's see. This is 64 and it's already far beyond what I want to hear, honestly. But hey, it is working well. For a second I'll go for 100. You get used to it. Okay, honestly, after that, everything sounds like totally barely hearable. But wow, that looks like really amazing, and I didn't even peel everything yet. So yep, that does look quite amazing. Let me, let's just do like that for a second and hit on settings and see what we can see. So as you can see, we have our settings here. We can go to the picture, and I guess we can adjust things like, yeah, we can do sports, we can do filmmaker mode. I don't like that. Movie, which, yeah, movie looks awesome. IMAX, oh wow. Intelligent, I wouldn't trust something like that. Vivid and standard. In terms of brightness, I think, yeah, well, we are on 80 something brightness, which is good enough. Contrast is on 100, black levels. I think it auto launched another video. Honestly, I have no idea. Yeah, seems so. In the background, and yeah, it did seem to stutter for a second. That's weird. Maybe because I'm changing here settings or something. There is like automatic HDR, which I'm not sure. It cannot be adjusted on YouTube, for example, as it seems. We can change that to high. It changes a bit, I'd say. Let's leave it on low for now. Yeah, we can change that. Actually, it was, yeah, let's leave it on high. So there are quite a few things that you can change. You can change the color, which goes to, that's quite cool. So yeah, you can change here color settings. Clarity, I want to see what's going on here. Oh, noise reduction, really? I don't know. Precision details. Motion clarity, I am not going to touch that. LED motion clear, I have no idea what will that do? How do we cancel that? Dynamic acceleration, increase screen refresh rate. No, I think I don't want that. Apply all picture mode, current source, eye health protection, automatic content recognition. I wouldn't do that. Anyways, there are quite awesome settings, and there is also TCL channel button. Let's see what that does. Before it did show me some stupid, I don't know, weird channel for kids or something, but I didn't actually enter here. Oh, there's like a whole thing here. Oh wow. And what, you want to tell me that I can watch all those for free? Sounds kind of weird. I don't see something that I do recognize, so maybe those are like some sort of weirdly not famous movies or something. I must say the app doesn't look very polished, but it does work. I mean, there is no problem with that. Oh, there's like live channels, really? Let's go ahead and see if we have some live channel that I have ever heard of. I quite doubt it, honestly. I do see some sports things and things like that. Let's see if we can, yeah, there are movies, there are entertainment channels. Is there something that I know of for kids? Honestly, there is no channel that I ever heard of, or at least I don't see something that I did. Outdoors, no, not something that I know. Classic TV, I like it, but they don't have, like, again, anything that I know of. Crime, news, finally one that I heard of, not that I want to watch it ever, but whatever. And that's pretty much it. There is international, but it's only lava. I guess that's it. Let's get out of this TV channel, whatever, TCL channel. There is a button that it shows TV. I want to press on that and see where it takes us. Just shows HDR 10. Yeah, I pressed again, and it took me to program guide. How can you show program guide for something that isn't a program? But okay, let's go back again. And that's something that I saw before. I don't know what is this loading here, but it did show me some sort of kids animation before or something. After it loaded, it seems like to be no signal at all. I think I went to some TV sort of channels mode or something, but there is no anything connected there, so I guess that's the problem. Let's press home, and yeah, you can see the regular Google TV thing. You have your apps, things like that. I'll go ahead soon and install things that I know of. For example, I'll probably need the CX file explorer, because I'll probably transfer some files here, and it says recommended for you. I'm pretty sure already. Okay, install. And yeah, I guess it will install a moment, and that's it. Let's see how fast it works. Honestly, it feels good enough. I mean, it's not like awesomely fast that you, I don't know, unbelievable or something, but it works well. It's not something that I would say, no, I cannot use or something. It works pretty well. Let's try to open the CX file explorer. I think it's, oh, it asks for permission, I guess, sorry. I did not see that. Allow mention the files, allow access to media only. No, I want to allow it all, actually. Yep. And yeah, we can see that we have here even apps. I wonder if I can like uninstall some apps. For example, I don't have anything against Disney Plus, but I don't use it, so I don't have a subscription or anything, and I don't need that. If I go to all, I guess that here I can find some apps that I totally don't want, and I'm pretty sure I cannot uninstall them. I'm not going to go through all of what's going on here, but if we'll see something, we'll try to uninstall it, and if not, we'll just leave it as is, I guess. For now, here's one. Prime Video. Again, I don't have anything. Oh, I can disable it at least. Let's try to disable it in that case. Okay, well, now maybe it is disabled. And let's go back to home. Yeah, I'll need to find some, I guess, players, some cool apps that I want to use. Cody, maybe in the future. Oh, we'll have VLC for sure. That will be useful if there is some weird file that I want to play. I'm pretty sure it will be able to play it with no issues. So yeah, on that note, I must say it does look a great TV, have a good sound. I'm not sure that I'll ever need a soundbar for that, but I guess we'll see. We are going to mount it on the wall. The thing is that the guy that will come to do that will come in a few days, sort of. Oh, that one I know. That one will allow you to send files between your TV and your phone easily. So you can transfer, for example, subtitles or even movies if you want. I never transferred movies, but subtitle files, oh, that totally works well. And yeah, I totally want that app installed. So I'll go ahead and just install more things, I guess. And on that note, yeah, the TCL65 C8K is a pretty great TV and I highly recommend it. תודה שצפיתם בסרטון זה של דימוספק. אם נהניתם מהסרטון, לחצו על הרשמה כמנוי ועל הפעמון כדי שלא תפספסו את הסרטונים הבאים. וניפגש בפעם הבאה.